train your brain with Brain Biceps. Starting a BC quiz. Think fast and write your answer. You have got 10 seconds to drop your answer in the comments. Round 1. Name a fruit that starts with L. Lemon, lime, lychee. Write fast or pause video. Round 2. Name a car brand that starts with H. Hyundai, Honda, Hammer. Don't forget to subscribe for more quiz videos. Round 3. Name a country that starts with U. Uruguay, Uzbekistan, UK. Do you know any others? Write comment. Round 4. Name a food that starts with S. Sandwich, steak, sushi. Which is your favorite? Round 5. Name a sport that starts with B. Basketball, baseball, boxing. Round 6. Name a brand that starts with G. Gillette, Gucci, Google. Don't forget click like. Round 7. Name a color that starts with G. Green, gray, gold. Round 8. Name something you wear that starts with S. Sweater, shirt, socks. Do you know any others? Write comment. Round 9. Write fast or pause video. Name a movie that starts with H. Harry Potter, Home Alone, Hercules. Round 10. Name an emotion that starts with U. Unstoppable, uneasy, upset. Are you writing? Round 11. Name a cartoon that starts with P. Pinocchio, Peter Pan, Paw Patrol. Which one do you like more? Round 12. Name a job that starts with F. Farmer, fireman, florist. Write your job. Round 13. Name something in a school that starts with E. Exam paper, eraser, envelope. Round 14. Name a music instrument that starts with K. Keyboard, kazu, koto. Challenge your friend. How many can they write? Round 15. Name a body part that starts with C. Chest, cheek, chin. Round 16. Name a vehicle that starts with M. Monster truck, metro, motorcycle. Write plus to comment for more quiz videos. Round 17. Name a city that starts with W. Washington, Warsaw, Wellington. Round 18. Name an insect that starts with me. Place for your right. Round 19. Name a bird that starts with a ostrich, owl, oriole. Which of them can't fly? Round 20. Name a drink that starts with L. Lemonade, lime juice, latte. Round 21. Name something on the street that starts with H. Highway, hotel, hospital. Do you know the best hotel? Round 22. Name something in a kitchen that starts with F. Fork, fridge, frying pan. Did you learn something new today? Comment which letter we should do next. Where you saw last video.